Hello, I'm James from Crayola. Welcome to Creativity Tips. Today's session is on metalwork. For centuries, metalwork has been used as a decorative and functional art form. However, have you wondered, where does metal come from? Deep within the Earth's crust exist ore deposits that contain minerals. The most valuable minerals inside of these deposits consist of metals such as copper, iron, and gold. Artists and artisans use techniques to manipulate the metal, such as hammering, casting, engraving, and repoussé. For this activity, you will create a decorative metal work. You will need pencil, cardboard, string, liquid glue, aluminum foil, and markers. First, sketch a creative line design on the cardboard. Using liquid glue, trace over your design. Grab the string and place it on the glue. Next, place the aluminum foil over the top of your string design and cardboard. Gently press the aluminum along the edges of the string, and you will notice that the design will be raised above the surface. This is called a metal relief. Ready for a creativity tip? Use your marker to color sections of your design. Leave parts of the foil visible. Grab your pencil and engrave creative patterns throughout your artwork. How will you show your metalwork to family and friends? Parents and teachers post young artists' creations on social media. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with Creativity Tips.